Still updating your Excel drop-down lists manually? Stop! Because today I'll show you how to create a smart, auto-updating, perfectly sorted drop-down list, even when your source data lives on a separate sheet. Let's dive right in. Here's a real example dataset. On first sheet, I'm managing employee records. But the full department list lives on another sheet, like this. Now, if you've been using the usual method, you probably select the cells. Go to Data, Data Validation, choose List, and select this table column. And sure, it looks like it works. But watch what happens when we add a new department. Let's add Legal at the bottom of the department list. When we go back to the drop-down, Legal isn't there. Because data validation doesn't expand automatically unless we tell Excel how. You can now edit the drop-down lists manually to include the new department. Let's fix this the smart way. Go to your department list sheet. Select the department column. Go to the Formulas tab. Then define name. I'll name it Department List. Confirm that refers to as pointing to the department column of the table. Click OK. Now edit your drop-down list again, go to Data Validation, choose List. Instead of selecting the table, press F3. This is a magic key that shows all defined names. Select the department list range, and click OK. Now the drop-down updates automatically. Let's test it, add support to the department list. And boom, it appears instantly. But maybe your list isn't sorted, or maybe it has blanks, which can make your drop-down messy. Here's where Excel's new dynamic formula magic comes in. I'll place this on the side of the sheet. Type this formula. Equals, sort, then unique, and TOCOL function. Now, select the department table. Add one, and finally close the formula. What this does, TOCOL takes the entire column and turns it into a clean list. One removes blanks. Unique keeps only unique department names. Sort alphabetizes the list automatically. Excel spills the result into a clean, sorted, auto-expanding list. Now let's make this list usable as a drop-down. Select the first spilled cell. Go to Formulas, define name. Call it Sorted Department List. In refers to, make sure it points to the spilled range using the hashtag symbol. The hashtag tells Excel, include the entire spilled list, no matter how much it grows or shrinks. Click OK. Finally, edit your drop-down list again. Replace the old name with new one. Click OK. Now your drop-down is sorted, clean, and blank-free. That also automatically updated whenever your data grows, and instantly updated across every sheet in the workbook. If this Excel trick saved you time, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more easy, practical Excel tips.